what does that mean? Does fearless mean just being crazy and just and not being professional? No. Adapting a fearless mindset is really having the ability to trust yourself, like meaning you've done the work, you've worked on your skill, on your craft, you've worked on being a better leader, you've worked on your communication style, you've worked on how you communicate out to the team, whether verbally or by written, you've worked on how you engage your stakeholders, you've done all the work. Now let's see where, now let's put this work to the test. And a lot of times what I see when new, especially new project managers that come in, they don't adapt that fearless mindset because they're afraid of what happens if this goes wrong or what happens if this goes wrong. It's going to go wrong. So now the question is, how do we correct it once it goes wrong? Having that fearless mindset meaning is that always knowing that you can course correct. Having that, okay, you get where I'm going with that fearless whole mindset. Hey, family, thank you guys so much for watching today's episode.